guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I hope everyone's doing great today. I want to show you how I made a terrarium in 3 easy steps. So if you're ready, let's go. First of all, started with some rocks that I got from Dollar Tree. Small stones. I got 3 different bags. I wasn't sure if I was going to use all 3, but I definitely wanted to have something. And I want to thank Ferrisland for gifting me this terrarium. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And you guys know I'm not great with plants, so buying succulents was probably the best thing for me. I hopped on over to Home Depot and picked up 4 plants. This red one is like a cactus kind of plant. Then I got these 3 other succulents, small succulents from Home Depot. And the little ones are about $2, and I think the red one was $5.98. So the first thing you want to do is start with layers. Layer your terrarium first with rocks. And the reason you're going to do that layering with the rocks is so that the plants drain properly. So the first layer is going to be rocks, or the stones. The second layer is going to be, I'm using like a weed blocker between the soil, potting soil, and the first layer of the stones. And again, these bags of stones, Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree, guys. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree. Really great. All right, so first layer is rocks. Second layer is the weed blocker that I'm using to as a layer between the soil and the first layer of rocks. And then just put the plants in. Take the roots of the plants first of all and kind of, squish those through your fingers so the roots are not so stuck together. And I put the plants in, and then I layer just a light layer of the white rocks, also from Dollar Tree. And voila, I have a terrarium. So let me recap. Stones, use a variety of stones if you want to have a more elaborate layering effect. 2, some succulent plants. Try to stick with plants that have a similar water and sunlight requirements. And 3, some potting soil. This is awesome. I'm happy to do this. I was so happy to do this because, again, I don't really have a green thumb, but can I kill these succulents? I hope not. Guys, leave me a comment if you've ever done a terrarium and what kind of plants did you use and how did it work out for you? I'm using these succulents, and my understanding is they're kind of easy to work with and kind of hard to kill, and I certainly hope so. Again, I want to thank Ferrisland for gifting me this terrarium. How cute is that? I'll keep you posted on how this all works out, but good luck, guys. I'll leave the information for the terrarium in the description box, and I'll also leave more information on the types of plants that I used. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.